I think we're live. I'm moving.
I
Say
see some
something.
pictures.
Test.
All right.
How easy is it to delete something on here if you put something else directly on top of it?
Huh?
Like, so I
Oh,
need to
that was weird.
replace these ones with these ones. And, like, I want to put them in the same position. So I'm going to copy the coordinates, right?
Uh huh.
But how do I delete the one underneath then?
Pick your gray one. Do you have your gray one?
Actually, I can make, I got it. Do that.
You could do that.
Delete. And put this back to 2.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. All right, that's going to work just fine.
Oh, you must be hot. You got the guns out on both of you.
Fucking dying.
Well, it is warm because we had an issue with, well, we didn't have an issue with our AC today, but there was a wet spot up in our foyer. And it's kind of like right where the AC unit is in the attic.
Mm-hmm.
So we're like, we got to go up there and
Oh, that's
see
why
what
you
the
were in
heck's
the
going
attic.
on.
Okay.
And yeah, Chris went up and cleaned it all out and everything. And
Do you
there
think
was a
you
bit of
solved the
water in
problem?
there. Well,
I don't know.
we don't really know. Yeah, it's kind of coming out. There's just a lot of condensation, a lot of water up there, and
Yeah.
it was just overflowing in a corner, and it wasn't catching in the drip pan.
Your AC is in the attic?
Hmm.
A lot
Your
of air
AC unit
handlers
is
are in the attic.
really? Really? Okay.
Yep, attic or businesses on the rooftop. Yep.
Yep.
Huh. Mine's in the basement, right?
Uh huh.
Okay. I was gonna say, wow, I don't think I've got one in the attic.
It is, and the reason for that
Maybe
is
I'm wrong.
because your air handler is both your heat and your AC.
Yeah, it's both. Yeah.
It is economically and just better from a temperature perspective to drop AC out of the ceiling so that it
Yeah, that
falls.
makes sense.
And it's better for heat to be on the floor. So
Yeah.
for they just chose one. Well, I hated being in the fucking attic because it's fucking horrible to work on.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's gotta
it
be
was
tight
so
up
humid
there.
up there.
I couldn't get my shirt off.
Yeah.
You just go naked. It's fine.
No, I couldn't get it off. Oh, up there? No, it's yucky up there.
Yeah, you don't want to get the insulation all over you. And did you cut your hair, Tracy?
No.
Oh, it looks short for some reason.
I usually have it up in a
tucked back.
ponytail for streaming, but I blow dried it today, and I didn't want it to get a ponytail like crunch in it. So
Yep. Let's see where Jeff is. He should be about home. He is still there.
maybe he fell asleep.
I just talked to him like 10 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago, maybe. I don't think he fell asleep. Although he did yesterday. I was like, "Aw, you took naps together?"
Well, that's what I was just thinking of. Is the room? I know she's in a single room, but she probably would be more eager to go home if she had somebody else in there.
Yeah. Like share. Get kicked out to a double room. Yes, the nurse says, "Can we have a double room, please?"
I have an idea.
I'll tell you what. There's this. See, I'm learning everybody there now. There's this one woman named Marilyn. She's a troublemaker, Marilyn. Marilyn likes to get on and off of her bed, and the beds make a beeping noise when patients get up. So she will purposefully get off the bed because she wants company. So the nurse is forced to come down to her bedroom and turn off the
Aw.
bed. She's so lonely. She's crazy. One day she was yelling, "I need a nurse! I need a nurse!" And I was scared. I didn't know her. You know, I'm like, oh my god, this woman needs help. So I grabbed a nurse. I was like, hey, sir. I'm like, she's yelling down here. And he's like, where? And he followed me, and I said, in this room, and he rolled his eyes, and he goes, thank you, and he goes in there. So I think she must regularly do that.
Oh.
Oh, Marilyn. Man, nurses though. Ugh. Saints of the fucking earth, man. Don't even understand.
Heck happened? Where'd it go?
You got a hole in the ground.
Where? Just had a thing there. Where'd it go?
Asher, can we stop with the sass? Stop. You need to learn to mind your business.
Mind your business.
Mm-hmm.
Just mind your business.
Did you guys finish Resident Evil today?
Yes.
We did. Well, yes, and then but there's another story part that we could play.
Oh.
It's like a additional story thing.
Additional content.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably do that next weekend. We were gonna do
Okay.
it today, and then we had the attic stuff.
Yeah.
Where did my thing go again? What the heck is going on here? Oh, there it is. Ah. That's why.
What? You haven't talked to me all day. You haven't licked my
Enix.
fingers. You haven't licked my toes. You haven't licked my
Enix.
face.
Well, he wasn't sick. He didn't get sick, but he was not feeling good today.
Oh, a little grumbly tumbly.
Yes, and then he didn't want to eat his breakfast. Finally picked at a little bit of lunch. Had dinner.
Okay.
So we broke out the soft food.
Is he feeling better now, you think?
Yeah.
Good. Can everybody just stop, please?
It seems like every time we get a new bag, it's like he's got to go through this cycle.
It's like a new dog food every single time, even though it's the same dog food. Maybe
Yeah.
I ought to buy 2 bags next time. So, like, it's the same batch.
You would hope, but you don't know.
I know, right? Mix them together. Pour them both into a big, huge container together.
I don't think you'd eat it quick enough. They actually do expire.
Oh,
It takes them like a year to eat.
that's right. I forgot that.
I think it's
about
like 6 months,
also,
but
like,
still, yeah.
Yeah.
Might not last as long as normal dog food because it's like special stuff.
6 months.
I think I order it every 6 months or 9 months, something like that.
I
don't
would say
remember.
9, maybe.
Well, I think I order it more often now because he's not eating the soft cans.
Yeah, the soft can's in over a year, Tracy. Been a
No.
while.
Because his next shipment, I think, is in December or January.
Which you just delayed that
So
one we just
it would be
had for
6
3
months.
months.
I think it's 6 months.
Oh, Jeff is on his way. Where is he? He's going to the highway. I think he's gonna go over to his parents' house and get the mail from them. He had his car to go get the mail. Man, you know what though? Having 2 vehicles feels like a freaking luxury. It's kind of weird. I guess I shouldn't say luxury. I'm not mad about having 1 vehicle. It just feels like too extra, you know?
I was on Facebook Marketplace, just checking my own thing that's up, and you know how it kind of shows you the things of the day or something like that.
Yeah. Recommended for you.
Yeah, there was this. It was the cutest little thing. It was like a 1-person electric car. Like it almost looked like a car, but I think it was really a trike because I think there's only 1 wheel in the front and 2 in the back, and only 1 person can sit inside it and stuff like that. And it was like for, I don't know, a couple $1,000s. And I clicked on it, and then because I was like, oh, that would be great for Chris for like if he's got to go, to the
I think
doctors or whatever.
this was a couple of days ago, right? I feel like he showed me somehow.
I did.
I don't think
Yeah,
I
think
did.
I think we were at work, and I think he just showed me your phone like through the camera.
Oh no,
You were like,
that was a smart car or something like that. That really was a
this is
car.
something
That was like
different. Okay.
7,000 Schenectady. And he's like,
Oh.
why the fuck are you showing me this?
Yeah, okay.
No,
All
this
right,
was
is
this was
else.
smaller than that. It was like
Oh,
I've
jeez.
never seen a car this small.
Oh.
And like if you got hit, you would just die, right?
Oh, jeez. Think
But
safe.
it was really cute. So I like click on it, and it's like the max is 30 miles an hour. So he's like, you can't ride down the road. And I was like, oh darn.
Oh, that's funny.
All right, I almost got my path back to normal here.
Why was your path the other color?
So I had this dark color cobble on my tile set, and I forgot that I had done this path. So when I came over here, and I did put one down on this path, and I was like, oh, that's so dark. Like it looks like it's one thing. I'm never going to use this color. So I replaced it with a different color, not realizing that I had done this path into the graveyard. So then I had to change it all back, and now I have to put down the right. Then I had to add another color for like this darker one. It was just a mess. So fixing my problem.
Hmm.
And like Chris said, this just working in here takes a long time.
Yeah. I feel like graphics are some of the last done things in games sometimes.
Yeah,
That's
but
probably why.
Yeah, and I wanted the town to feel more real. Like we want to kind of complete the town, or not complete it, but make it more finished looking.
Mm-hmm.
So that's kind of why I'm doing this push now to work on this town and get it done.
Yeah.
Again, it probably won't be the finished product, and hopefully we can at least just maybe substitute pieces so you're not like redoing the whole thing. But it's going to take me a little bit. I worked on it a lot yesterday.
Do you feel like you're getting faster at it though now that you've played with it a little bit?
Yeah, I'm definitely learning where to go now that it's all like repetitive. So once you get it down, it's not so bad. Once Kristen yelled at me and embarrassed me yesterday about not understanding what I was doing and that it should be like a Windows menu, something or other. Yeah. Yeah.
He yelled at you
Get
for
put in your
what?
place sometimes is all I gotta say, right? Not even listening to me.
From yelling at you. Oh, maybe you guys were talking about something while me and Jeff were talking.
He was mean. He was being. Oh, I think you might have left, Nicole. You might have gone to bed.
After I went to bed? Yeah, maybe. Oh man, I was zonkered.
Oh gosh, it's warm in here.
Chris, me
All right.
never.
Think I do need to make. That one's not gonna work. Okay, that's good for now. What I do think I need is another. Oh, I do have it here.
No, Asher, we're not gonna bark at anything. Just the kids playing outside.
How? Oh no. Did I just foobar?
What?
Question for you, Chris. It might be fixable. So I re-imported this image, but I didn't re-slice it. So there's a row on top. Should I take that top row and put it on the bottom? That's a yes.
I don't know what it's gonna do.
I don't know.
Well, I could see which ones are split because I could.
Yeah, but look at it. It's wanting to stay in the middle.
Right.
So putting
That's
that row
why
at the
if I
bottom is
take.
not a good idea. You can't keep re-importing images all the time. This is the problem that you keep doing to me. I got a new Archer with a new pixel. Then I changed it to yellow instead of green.
Okay, it's got to be perfect.
No. This is why you can't keep making it. I warned you about putting 1,000 images on one image. We should have done this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one. All these should have been separate.
You and me have a too much gene. We just do things too much.
I don't know what that's gonna do.
Yeah, see, it shifted everything.
We definitely inherited it from Mom.
So let me just go back to the image, and I'll re-import it with that one on the bottom.
It's gone. It's already ruined. It's already ruined. I ruined
Why?
it.
Why?
It's already replaced all the prefabs with it.
No, it's fine. It's okay. Leave it. No, I think we're okay. I think I can fix this. I'm gonna.
Okay.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna
shove top to the bottom.
Yeah.
What's the worst that happens now? It doesn't work because it still already doesn't work.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to turn off the safe and go back to delete.
Okay. So save. Let's export. Okay. I need to show an Explorer. Copy over my new one. Replace. Then re-import. Aha!
Nice.
Yes. Work smarter, not harder.
Great
Okay.
success.
How do I get to my paths? Okay. Need having. How do you click on? Oh, that's why. Be that. I want to select a path, a top item that I put to object that I put down.
You marked them so that they couldn't be touched. You gotta unclick the.
Oh. Yep.
Let's say you didn't make a boo boo.
Yeah, because I was working with the cobbles and I kept on moving them, so it's trying to.
Hello, Candanian. I don't know how
Hello.
to say
that. Sound it out.
Candonian.
Candanian? We're gonna go with that. I like it.
Candonian?
Candonian?
Candonian.
Potatoes, tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Potatoes, potatoes.
You're a potato.
All right. Where's my paths? Nope. Nope.
Candonian. Got it. Or Cando. I like that. We're done.
Cando. Can handle that one.
Yep. We got a new follower!
Hey, yay! Yay, yay for me!
Yay, yay!
Get out my calculator. Alrighty. Maths.
Math's tough.
I mean, when you're dealing with 1,000ths of a percent,
Yeah.
then yeah, it's
Gets a little much.
I'm not bad at math, but I'm not that good.
I'm bad at math.
Not one of your strong points, Nikki.
No.
No.
Okay.
Did you mean to make this fucking rock look like a penis? I swear to God.
I can fix it. Oh my god.
It looks like a penis.
Which one?
I know. Now every time I see it, I then don't use that one.
Looks like a penis.
There's
Now
other
you
rocks.
gotta Twitch switch. I want to see what you're talking about. What
You
rock?
want to see the penis rock?
Cool
Yeah.
rock.
Oh, yeah, that one.
That's a penis.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that needs to get
both.
changed. That needs to get changed, Tracy. I'm sorry. Or leave it.
Or
Just
leave
saying.
The choice is
leave it.
yours.
Remember
Alright,
when
what
we were
happened to
recently
all-
playing Satisfactory and I found a penis rock and I was like, did they do this on purpose?
We are using tiles to do the ground, but a lot of the objects are straight up game objects. Gives us a little bit more flexibility to use the objects that way. Yes. It is a multiplayer dungeon crawling RPG with some town building aspects to it.
Rogue-esque.
Roguelike. Just keep throwing acronyms out there until something sticks.
JRPG.
Yep.
With some tactile
All the buzzwords, yes.
Yeah.
Where's
What
Jeff
else
when
could
you
do?
need him?
Tactile
Oh my God.
co-op, couch cozy gaming.
Love it, Nick.
Something for everyone kind of gaming.
Yeah. Strategy, world building.
Collect them all. I don't know.
Oh, collection. That's a big one.
Okay, Chris, question.
What?
If I were, where's my templates? Which one, where's that?
Game objects. Town.
Is that these?
Game objects.
No, that's sprites.
On the left. Down. Okay. Or there.
Like-
Don't listen to me. It's fine.
Well, it's these, right?
I don't
Yeah,
know. You
these
gotta
are the
go to game
templates.
objects and go to town.
These are the templates. So first of all, can I highlight them all? I can. If I wanted to increase them all, can I do this?
Yes.
I was not happy about, oh, okay, it just took some time.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna undo that. Okay.
The networking, we're using the networking for game objects within Unity. I don't like these trees. I hate the way I did this. We're just gonna do this for now, just for giggles. 2 trees and some rocks.
What are you doing, Chris?
Okay, so if you wanted to just take one, so I put down 1, and if I want to change just that 1, I could change the scale and everything, but it won't affect them all.
If you just change that 1, it will not affect them all, which what will also happen is when you do change the template, it will not touch that one. It has realized that you've overridden it.
Okay. All right, well, I'm going to
Which is a
skip
good
that.
thing.
Yeah, well, because so I have these smaller looking cobbles, but then I was going to do like, say, like a path here that goes kind of,
Yeah.
off to this thing.
So make
but
it
then I thought
bigger.
maybe I should make them a little bit bigger.
So
But
just make those ones bigger.
if I want to, though.
I hear a lot of whining.
Whoa.
You want to hear a little bit more?
Yeah, please. I love your whining.
Do you?
No, I don't.
Now that Tracy asked over my question of another question, what are you doing, Chris?
I'm working on, I'm not sure how I want to do this yet, but I'm working on the ability to upgrade a plot of land so that the plot of land can be underdeveloped and then eventually developed over time. Not really sure how I envision that at the moment.
Would they be in static spots, you mean? Like you could
Yeah,
add
I mean, you're going to
into
walk
it
up to where
and-
the blacksmith's building is supposed to be. There's going to be a little sign. You'll
Right.
touch the sign. The sign will say, I need 20 stone in order to, or 20 coins in order to clear this land because other NPCs got to come clear it, whatever. You do that, the
And what
land
do
is clear. Then you need stone and wood to build the house. So then you donate 20 stone and 20 wood. The house goes up. And then the blacksmith now comes in because you find his ass in the fucking dungeon. And now he says, I need clay in order to make a furnace. So the sign, what I'm envisioning right now is that the sign is the thing that will tell you what the plot needs. So you're not constantly like unsure, but you also don't know how many steps there are because the sign is just going to be, I think, that step.
You're right. Oh, get me clay right now. Oh, wait, now you got me clay. Now I need water and blah, blah, blah.
And
whatever.
Those things may not be available to you until you open up things, and other things may be available to you. So you probably could always find wood and stone, but for him, you probably won't find
like what? Like hammer. You need to find something in the dungeon or something.
Yeah, maybe there's a magical blacksmithing hammer. You won't find that until you've already found him because you won't know to go looking for it. I don't know.
Right.
Something along those lines.
And what are you just like doing it like a sandbox or something? Because Tracy's messing with the town.
Yeah, I'm not in a town. I'm in this. I'm in
weird
Chris,
little sandbox land.
What?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, always.
Is this where I go to make?
Yep. It's going to make a lot of them.
Yep.
Now you technically can click and drag all of those into the project folder for your path. Yeah. You're going to want to environment them on the right. On the right, yeah.
Thanks.
No problemo.
Can I
Can you what?
I didn't make them 1.5 times.
Highlight them all?
Can I highlight them all?
Yeah. Make them 1.25.
I did that like 5 minutes ago. I don't know why I'm asking.
Yeah. Because that's your MO. How do you turn on the TV as you're holding the remote pushing the power button?
Stop it.
Be nice.
That's what she does. It drives me absolutely insane.
Good. Do it more often, Tracy.
Do we have signs? We have signs, right? We have those new signs? Oh, you get your little sign, small, sign, large.
Yeah, she made signs.
Yeah, I haven't used them yet, but
No, I'm going to use them.
Can you put text on the signs?
Not these ones. Ooh, those don't have the right environment level. Let me fix those. Yes, they do. I just put a medium down and it was not on any sort of level. Oh, okay. Not asking.
I
It's a sneaky
need
sign.
another one of these.
It's a what?
It's a sneaky sign.
Oh, because it's hiding. No, I don't want
It's
the
hiding
tree.
somewhere. Yeah, he can run you through one of the dungeons.
I can probably. We can't promise the game is going to work right now, but we can do a show and tell.
Give it the good old college try.
Give it a college try.
Sometimes he's got it in a debug mode, and we go into it like that.
Yep. No, I'm gonna kill one of the. Right now, I have it always at a specific random dungeon because it does.
Do you want me to get on too, and you can show 2 people in there, or no?
I don't know if I have that copy anymore.
It's fine.
I can run 2 copies of Unity.
Nah.
Let's see what she does.
You're gonna have to switch your things.
Magic. There she is. Settings don't do anything here. You can click and do silly things. They don't do anything. There are profiles. You can add profiles to the game. I will be a new profile because I'm not sure what my seal is doing right now. They're random names at the moment. We are going, if you were to regular join a game right now, we just do a direct connect. So we're going to do a start game. This is the town that Tracy is currently working on. That's my blacksmith who has no idea right now what he's doing, but he needs a hammer because he thinks he does. The town is mostly working at the moment in terms of collision and stuff. Things are kind of working. You can go inside the buildings and such, and I'm still working on this a little bit, but you can go behind the buildings as well. Fine. There are animals in the town, which I have the birds.
Now you're not going to be able to find.
I know. I have the birds set so low because Tracy's like, oh, I only want to see like one a year. You did.
Stop. So mean.
You never find the birds. They're.
Well, you're not seeing any rabbits either.
I'm not seeing
rabbit.
anything.
Ah, shit! There goes a human or an NPC just. Oh, there goes a bird!
There it is.
Oh my god, a bird! Oh, he's so much faster than me. I'm never gonna catch up to the bird. There's chickens. Fine. The birds spawn out of any tree, and then they fly to any other tree. It's really all they're doing. But then there's these rabbits, and they come out and they hang out. But if an NPC or you get too close to it, it'll bail. It'll whip back into the tree. So fine, there's that. However, we do have some z-axis layering going on here, or y-axis, sorry. So you can actually get behind like trees and stand in front of whatchamacallit, boxes and such. So this is our teleporter that goes to the dungeon because we don't really have anything getting us there. And we're in a dungeon. We do got some stuff that hangs out up on the walls. We do have some enemies. This is a mage. Trying to kill said mage. We got ourselves a little bat. It flings stuff at you. This dude, he flings fireballs at you. Oh, Jesus. Got a skeleton after me. Come on, die. Probably shouldn't be killing
Goodness,
all
now you
these.
got everybody.
I know. And right now I am shooting out of my feet. We can ignore that. Arrows come out of your toes. Don't worry about it. That's on purpose. That chest is locked. You can see by the yellow icon on it. And then there is a little trap. This is a hole in the wall that's a trap, and it will shoot at you as you go by. You got little banners. You can break these pots if you shoot them. Oh,
I need
this
some
is an event.
troubleshooting help.
So the gate locks down here.
Cool.
Enemies come out. I've said gate up there. I'm just going to run around because I'm kind of invincible, but at the same time, I really need more damage.
You also still have them on pretty
I need
fast.
your help
run,
when
huh?
you have a
I
second.
do. Second, Tracy. So this room that I'm in right now is actually Nicole, so loud. This room is what we were calling predefined rooms, so we can spawn predefined rooms inside of the randomized dungeon based on where they can fit. So that way I can define trap rooms to be very specific and look the way I want them to look. Oh my gosh, I'd like to find a chest that actually isn't locked. Okay, this was a complete dead end. Love that. Get out of here. Don't shoot me. It's not nice. I'd like to find a key. That'd be nice too. There's the exit. Well, this was a predefined room with a vendor in it who doesn't have anything for sale at the moment, but was just playing around with that. Really? Ah, another locked chest, of course. We do have items, and they do, Oh, there's a key. Sweet. Let's go open said chest. If you drop an item, we have a little tooltip thing that pops up, tells you what it's supposed to do. You can pick it up. And I broke the, yesterday I've been working on the inventory window, which I thought I had it working. Oh, I know why it's not working. 1 second. Because I think I turned off One second. This. I turned off the player input on that because it was behaving weird. So there's an inventory window and you can see the item you picked up. Or this is kind of working now. Oh, maybe not. I was playing around with the stuff yesterday. And we can exit. And it will then load nothing because it blew up. So that's our little game. Yes, Tracy.
So I added one more tile to this.
Yep.
And I re-imported it, but I don't see it down here
Okay, yep.
when I open it.
Go up, right click, or open sprite editor on the right. It's probably not sliced. Right down.
Oh, I didn't reslice.
Yep. Yeah, you can see it's missing that.
See, I didn't think you'd have to reslice.
Because we're telling it to delete empties, and those were empties before. So
okay.
turn off safe. You should be able to just be on method. Will just be delete existing, which is fine. Yep. And you're gonna want that to be 64 probably, or cell count, whatever you want. So yeah, that's our little something.
There it is.
Boy, I'm not envisioning this. I was hoping to get it on Steam in a family friend invite only type situation, or anybody on the, anybody who's on the stream if they ever ask, sure, I don't care. I was hoping to get it on Steam by the end of the year where it's semi-playable. We do have 2 bosses. They don't work at the moment. The dungeon clearly isn't working at the moment because it, for some reason, blew up at the end of that run. However, I just changed a lot yesterday. Literally yesterday, I was doing all the menu UI stuff.
It's not the right one.
So it's very possible I killed it with that. I do have a couple more enemies I gotta complete before I feel like at least there's enough variety. And I really would like to... Right now, just to give you some idea, there's only one tile set that works. So the dungeon just looks the same every time. And right now I'm only putting the same items in the same dungeon, or in the dungeon. I'm only putting the same enemies in the same dungeon. I kind of want to feel more progression before I put it out anywhere. So maybe the first area only has literally skeletons and that's it, I guess. Then the second area may introduce the wizard that comes out and can cast Blizzard or whatever the heck she does. So would like to see it just be more cohesive. I would like to see it so that the multiplayer part of it, they can run through the dungeon and actually get back to the town, and that works. Did work a couple weeks ago, but there's still no boss, right? I do want to do that as well. And Tracy, you said it did not work?
No, I didn't have the right tile that I was looking for.
Oh. And right now, Tracy and I have been pretty focused on the town. Her town now,
it's come a long way.
A lot more than what it was. I was working on yesterday for the town, or not yesterday, 2 days ago. I don't know if you ever used the nav mesh, and a nav mesh agent. I was working on a teleportation for the nav mesh agent. So teleportation's a improper word to use, but the idea is sound. And this is just a little prototype to make sure an NPC is capable of selecting something in another area that it can't get to. Yeah. And the whole reason for this that I was going to do is, as an example, in her bar that Tracy has, or tavern that she has, there's a basement. And there's going to be stuff down in the basement. I want the nav mesh agents, the random wandering that they do, to wander into the basement. But the thing with the basement though is that it's a set of stairs, and then the basement is going to be a bunch of tiles way off the screen, right? And so there's no way for them to physically walk from X to Y. I want them to hit the top of that stairs and then teleport to the bottom of the stairs, which will be, 100 units off the screen somewhere. So this was me playing around with that for the first time the other day. And that works really nice. I actually have to make it work for multiplayer. Or I shouldn't say that. Since you know it, so I can actually use real words since you have an understanding of Unity and its stuff. I actually have to make it work for the NavMesh agent to use the teleport function instead of the NavMesh warp function, because with the NavMesh warp function, the network transform is not going to like that very much. So if you use the network transform's teleport, it'll just shoot it across, and I can pretty much ignore the NavMesh warp and then tell it that it's done, and it should work nice. Which is like a whole 2 more lines of code. Not a big deal.
Well, I agree, Chris. It's probably a lot easier for me to resave images than for me to give them to you all the time. Yeah, because this is a little annoying.
Feel the
So
pain.
it must be a lot more annoying for you, because at least I know where they're saved, and I could just keep the windows open and replace something.
Yeah.
Dang.
I put that sign there. Person
Oh.
could walk up to said sign. If the house isn't built, just a bunch of rocks on the frickin'. To kind of make that random somehow. But fine, don't care right now. Then the idea would be that you touch said sign, pay the price, underdeveloped goes away, pay said price, house shows up. These houses are too flat for me, Tracy. I know you gotta still do them, but at least they work for now.
I haven't gotten to the houses yet.
I know. They're very old. They do the job. They take up the space and have a door.
And they are going to just be what they are for a little while, because
they work.
I don't plan on remaking them yet. Because I want to do like the things in them, I guess, probably first.
Yeah. What? I'm having a hard time envisioning this upgrade process for a plot of land. Because I'm seeing every single plot of land behaving differently. Okay, so you can see my screen, yeah?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Let me turn off the nav mesh and stuff. Let's use this as an example. Nav mesh, go away. All right. We got ourselves our blacksmith, yeah? Oh, you have a commercial.
I got a commercial.
You got a commercial.
It knew.
Just gonna wait for the commercial. We're gonna sit tight for the commercial.
You gonna do your commercial song?
This is my commercial song.
I'll just lay some brick.
You lay that brick.
That's not going to go in the right spot.
Commercial over?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay. So I got a question.
Yes.
You can see said blacksmith here in about 6 seconds?
Yep.
Okay. So with the blacksmith, when he's not there, what do you plan on putting here?
He's going to have a table outside that he's
No.
working on.
Not
What do
the
you mean?
person, the building. The blacksmith is not created. It's an empty plot of land.
Oh.
What are you putting there?
Nothing. Trees.
You got to put trees there.
Maybe. Or there's some sort of, maybe just that light grass color to look like something can go there. I don't know. Do you want to give a hint that things can go certain places? Or do you want to cover it all in trees? Like, I don't know.
The sign will be a hint something goes there.
Oh, a sign could be, yeah, I'm okay with a sign.
No, I know that, but what are you going to do with the land? Don't worry about the person, the human knowing to go do something there. What is going to aesthetically be there?
Maybe just that light green grass. I don't know. And a sign.
No trees, no boxes, no rocks.
Maybe. I don't know. Do we have to decide that right now? Why do you want to know? How about that? Like what's the benefit of knowing right now, I guess?
I am considering how I layer these game objects. Do I have a plot of land that has all these phases that allow you to do many things to it? Or do I just have one game or mono behavior on the game object that just says, I'm here or I'm not? If you're just going to do green grass, I don't need code.
For now, I would say, yeah, just like, why does it need to be complicated? I don't know. I don't know.
And are you expecting...
What do you want it to look like?
How about this? Are you expecting it to be a multi-phase process to bring the building to life?
It can be. Doesn't have to be. I'm okay with it being like, poof, it's there. Because that's less images I have to make. So for now, yeah, that would be the smarter thing to do.
Yeah, I'm going to have to think about this a little bit more because those phases are going to depend on materials. And what that material is based on whatever you have in your particular player inventory. Player inventory is not hero inventory. Right. What do I have? I think I have key value pair for player. Oh, I can spell player correctly. Jeez, oh Pete.
I was. Oh, no, never mind. I was thinking about the grass blades a little bit and the flowers.
Okay.
and how we can make it easier that like to kind of make it on the grass, but I don't think you can, right? Because you have an animated object. So I have to plant those, or I guess I don't know how can we do it better? Maybe I can make a 128 by 128 and then just plant those boxes. It would be easier.
I can animate tiles easily.
Okay, so maybe we'll end up doing that, because if I have to go through this whole town and plant like flowers and blades of grass,
That's what you asked
I
for. That's what you got.
yeah, well, I know.
Okay.
But as I'm doing the paths here,
It's
I'm
tough.
realizing that's a lot of work.
Yeah.
And probably don't need to do that with everything. Paths, it's going to be more, we want that more defined, right? So I'm okay doing this right now, but I can tell you right now, I'm not going to be okay planting grass.
So yes, if you make a tile, 128, 128, and you make it dance for say, I can animate it. The key though is that you wanted it animated together, and I wrote special code to do that, and I can override the tile object to make my own animated tile to do the same. So I can do it. It just I got to do a little bit more. That's what I was thinking, Kando.
I don't know what any of that means, but
I was literally thinking of just having a scriptable object that was, or it's basically going to, I was thinking about having a scriptable object that would have the stages. The stages would technically be the prefab. So the final stage would be like the house, right? And the first stage would be a prefab that she could then plant trees and rocks on wherever she wanted to. Then I was also thinking that each stage would then have a cost. And that cost would just be associated to the resource object that I have, or resource enum that I have. You could pick from the resources, you could say how much it's supposed to cost. And then the sign,
how do I get back to where I was? I accidentally double
hit the
clicked on
back
this.
arrow on the top left.
Thank you.
Yep. And then the sign could run off the scriptable object knowing what stage it's on based on the player's save file, and then know what to show in terms of how many resources are needed for that thing. Now here's an odd thing that we're doing, and I'm not sure I'm going to keep this forever. The last sentence you said there, where you said I can sync the stage number across the network. We played a game about 2 years ago that the what's the words I'm looking for? That the town was only upgradable by the host, and we hated it. The host had to spend all of their resources in order to upgrade the town and unlock all the stuff for everybody, and the rest of the players got to hoard their currency, for lack of better words, and spend it on things. So from a player perspective, they were spending their money on like upgrading their weapons and upgrading their armor. And then the host of the town was far behind because they were constantly like, well, you only have the blacksmith because I spent all of my money giving you the blacksmith. So I've been thinking about this from two ways. And the one way was that everybody could put their currency towards a building or something. And therefore it kind of be fair. However, there are negatives to that as well, in which you may put towards something that you may not now have on your own single player run, which is a little weird. You could also power level somebody through pretty easily if a high level person came in and just dumped everything on your town. Possible. Not really too concerned with that, but just some thoughts. And then the other thing that we're doing right now is each town is unique. I'm sure to say unique. Each town is individualized. I may be on stage 2 with the blacksmith. Tracy might be on stage 1 with the blacksmith. The stage 1 is just a bunch of trees and rocks. Stage 2 is the building itself. I can use it and she can't. And the way I was going to handle that was when the player enters that piece of property, I would basically disappear for her, and then it would show me like walking out of it, for lack of better words. Not really sure how we're going to screw around with that yet, but it would be unique to the player, and then each player feels as if they are building their own town in the way that they want to build it. And I say the way they want; it's more the order that they want to build it. Not 100% sure on any of that, though. We'd lost Nick, huh?
Jeff got home, so I think she probably got off to or put herself on mute because the dogs and to talk to him. You know what I have to I was thinking about too, that we haven't really done anything with yet is shadows. I've only done shadows with like the trees and the grass, but like what about everything?
What about everything? What about
I
everything,
think we could
Tracy?
probably put like the same shadow under people.
Yeah,
That's
it would just
fine.
be a circle.
Yeah, but like the bushes and stuff like that.
Well, those bushes are your old bushes for one, but yeah, you need to replace those.
Do I put the shadow on the image or probably, right?
In that case, yeah, because it's a static bush. And you need to replace those bushes with the real bushes. Those are just junk. I mean, you haven't even gone over there yet, but
No, but they're supposed to be bushes up here too. That's what I was just looking
yeah,
at.
there is
Here.
a bush in the whatever that is in the town objects for you to use. There is a bush. Wow, if I could hit all the wrong keys, that'd be awesome.
Well, actually, so then I need to move this stuff up. Is there a way to, like, I want to select all of these and move them all up?
Yeah, hit control and click them all, or on the left, highlight them all. I don't know where they are. And now you can drag either the top thing, or you can just set their Ys.
Yeah, but I got two.
Yep, I see what you're doing there.
But I could at least do that. Now I can fix these because I know what this is supposed to be now. So I think I want to, well, I don't know. It's fine. Nope, it's fine for now. All right, so you're saying there's little shrubbies here?
Yeah. No. I already have them. I had to build them for you so that way they'd have the nav mesh agent, just like the trees.
So how do I put those
So
down?
go
Do
into
I have
the
to
town.
go to the ground?
No, go to the town. On the bottom. All the way to the bottom. Left. Go to game objects, town.
Oh, I see. It's right here.
No, go to game objects. You're in sprites. You're in images. Up. Up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, game objects, town. There is.
Trees? Is it?
Thought it was in like something else, but maybe trees. Go in there. Oh, there you go.
Well, no, that's a tree. That's
No,
a
right
tree
there.
top. Oh, shrub, right here.
And stumps.
Oh, it does have a shadow on it. What? Stumps?
stumps.
Oh, yeah. So I place them from here?
Yep.
To where?
Wherever
Where
you
up
want.
here?
I want to make it.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, not wherever you want with that. I don't know.
Should I make a new?
Yeah, maybe.
Ow.
Right click.
Create empty.
Create empty. Make sure it's at 0, 0. It's not at 0, 0, so name it whatever you're going to do and then set the position.
Position 0, 0?
Yep.
Okay. Are they were in my little town? Oh, they're up a little higher, but
Stop auto adding. It drives me nuts. I'd have to give it an ID so that way the thing would know what to do. God, I feel like I got fiberglass in my arm. Driving me nuts. Feel it when I'm rubbing on my mouse pad. I hate that. I hate fiberglass because you can never find it.
take a piece of tape.
With all my hair?
It's either that or the fiberglass.
I'm going to lose all my hair at the same time. It's going to pull everything.
It'll grow back. Oh, we got cute little shrubs.
Ooh, I cannot save the town. Can't be in here.
Don't fuck it up. I mean, I don't need to be working in here. I can get out soon. Well, I mean, we only have 20 minutes left anyway.
Yeah, what do you mean you don't have to be working in there? That's literally what you're doing.
I have plenty of other stuff to work
No,
on.
that's important. We're just trying to get your ass out of Unity is all you're trying to do.
I was in here a long time yesterday. That's not right. We didn't math right. There we go, that's why. That doesn't right. Does not. Cool. the heck are you doing?
None of your business. None of your business. Alright, so if I gave this ID of 1, let's say, for giggles, I could then give it, oh, you dummy. Also, you dummy. So if I gave it a phase 1 would be something. Phase 2 would be, let's pretend, house small. That failed because, you know, one super gripe with Unity. I cannot stand that the enter key closes the search.
We're back.
Well, that's what you
Oh,
do.
hi.
You hit the enter key to close the search. You didn't know that?
It's so stupid. Well, that might actually work. And the prefab would have to be this. Then basically on the town load, I would then look at the current player's profile for all the plot IDs and all their current element object states. Reasonable.
Okay.
Asher.
So if I deleted this and I deleted this. Oh no.
Oh no.
Yeah, who cares? Minor. Like that.
Did you want any food, Jeff?
I have half my sandwich.
You didn't even eat the whole sandwich?
I got the half.
Jeff, you ate a half a sandwich all day.
Okay.
Jeff.
Yeah.
Made me
She's already
stress out
gotta
about
beg
your
your mom to
eating
eat.
too. I know. It's fucking annoying. Everybody in my fucking life right now. Nobody wants to eat their fucking food.
Eat your dinner, Tina. Didn't you just say yesterday, Nicole, that you don't need to worry about what he's eating and when he eats it?
You're right. I shouldn't give a rat's ass. The problem is then I spend money on things like snacks for the week and I wake up and they're half gone.
Then don't buy snacks.
I would like to have some snacks with my lunch throughout the week.
You gotta lock them away.
I don't expect them to be eaten all the next day.
All right. Coming along. Oh, we need a tree stump over here. That's right. We need to make a. Oh, let's put these paths where they belong. Let's make a. Oops. Yes. Stumps. That looks good right there. I will work on getting the new UI stuff to you if you want to.
There's more new UI? I just worked on the UI yesterday.
The skill bars. The ones you've seen them.
Oh, those. Oh boy. Okay.
Little panic there.
I am ready for those. But yes. Gonna kill her. I was gonna literally kill her.
I think I'll actually start breaking that apart now for the last 10 minutes because kind of need a break from the town a little bit. But I did a bunch of stuff, so getting there.
You tell Brian and what's his face to re-app their sub.
Oh yeah, Brian, give me money.
I'm gonna Control S, save.
And I guess Frank, you said doesn't have Amazon Prime or something.
He does. He's just sometimes
just
it's
didn't use
available,
it right.
sometimes it's not, and then he ends up spending it anyway.
Oh yeah, he doesn't need to do that. But Brian can.
Can I push while you're still working? Is that okay? Okay. I'm so afraid that I'm gonna do that wrong, and it's gonna be like that nightmare you ran into like a year ago or whatever, where it yeah.
Oh, you're
I
going
just
to
don't
do
want
it
that to
wrong.
happen.
It's going to happen.
Not because I'm gonna keep asking you every time.
Just make sure the items
that's
that you're pushing are
terrible.
either in your assets folder for your images, or they're in the town stuff that you were doing. If you're
I didn't look at it at all, and I already pushed it.
sweet, do a PR. Oh, you're already PRing it. Sweet.
Yeah. It's done.
It's how it gets broken, Tracy.
Nightmare made.
Love it.
See, asking doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Well, because I thought I was good, and then you were like, "Oh, by the way, you probably should check." Well.
Oh god.
Oh Lord.
Can we play Grounded 2?
No.
Yes.
No. Okay, thanks. No. No.
Oh, Chris, let's have a good time.
No.
Yes.
No.
Did I do it right? I got an email about it.
Sure.
I got an email about it.
All right, so you
Oh
probably
my
need
god.
City.
What's the difference between Disney Plus and Cornhub?
Jeffrey, we are streaming.
Save it for later.
Is it appropriate?
Save it? No, it's not. Because it's not.
Ask yourself, is it appropriate? I could see him smiling right now.
Yeah, I
like that
can.
little boyish
Yeah,
smile.
you're right. He is.
Yeah.
Now he's looking down ashamed like.
Yeah.
He's biting his tongue a little.
Can I say it?
No.
I'm gonna
No.
bite my tongue.
Yeah,
Type it
5
in our
more
chat.
minutes.
You got
Type it in
literally
chat.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
He can't hold it for 5 minutes. He's gonna type it to us.
Look,
Not
I'll
gonna
be
be
able
as
to
fun?
read it.
Yeah.
It's fine. You can read it later. I'll read it now. I'll make it. No, don't type it. Don't type it in the chat on the stream. What?
Actually, that's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
It's bad. You just gotta understand it.
Oh, we understand it, but it's not as
understand it?
bad as I thought it was going to be.
Oh no. I was giggling my head off reading it. I was like, oh god.
And by chat, Jeff, I meant our.
You can delete it. Just
No, I'm
delete
not
it.
gonna delete it. It's fine.
If the item is, or if the image is the same, but you have to rotate it, do you just want one, or do you want one facing in each direction?
What is it?
It's for a UI.
What is it?
Like it's a frame. Just
Okay,
say
so
it's a frame.
the last time this happened, when I rotated it was off because you didn't have everything centered. So is that going to happen to me
Oh,
again?
well, I'm making it centered.
Then I probably don't need it. As long as it actually works rotated, I do not need it.
Yeah, it's the same image. It just top, bottom, left, right. So then you only need one corner then as well, because the corners are all the same. You already have the yellow orange. I'll save this whole thing for you. No, you don't want that. Question.
Yes.
Is the skill bar going to change size?
Why?
Well, like, because if it is, I would have to give you pieces of everything so it could be scalable. If it's not, I could just take this image, right?
Even if you just gave me that, it would still scale. Why wouldn't that not scale?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think this is, I'm just going to take this out of here because I don't think this is, what will necessarily belong in there. Give you an empty window.
Question.
Vance.
Does
Question.
management need to yell at Tracy for going rogue today?
Always. No, I was on track today.
Mm-hmm.
The
You
last 10
answered the
minutes.
question yourself, so.
I did a ton of stuff yesterday. Do you, I guess you only need one of these. I'm ready to call it quits whenever you are.
Alright, well, I got a plot kind of working. There's no way to interact with it. But this is an underdeveloped plot. It's got a tree
Can you Twitch
and a
switch?
box. And pretend you interacted with it.
Oh wow, you got it to work.
And if you pretend you interacted with the sign. House. And it should work. And then when the house is there, it is doing the stuff it's supposed to be doing in terms of like.
So is she legit teleporting?
Oh, she's been working.
Oh, okay. Wait, what am I looking at then? Because I thought that was what you're working on.
Tracy,
Bitch.
you gotta listen to what he's saying.
What?
He's explaining everything to you.
There was a tree there.
Yeah.
And then he changed it to a house.
Yeah.
I was really excited about her teleporting.
I'm sorry, Chris.
Oh God.
Fucking A.
Your princess is in another castle.
Okay,
I feel like his princess is in another galaxy completely.
let's try this again.
I can't deal with this. This is too fucking much. Like, even I caught on to that, and I wasn't paying attention.
I was working on the plots, Tracy, of land.
Yeah.
The plot of land has 2 phases at the moment and can have an array of phases, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, so it goes from a forest to a building.
In phase 1 right now, this particular building only has a tree and a box, and each one can be unique to the plot. So you can make different ones for different ones.
You go away and you come back and it's still a tree.
And then if you pretend you touch the sign, it will auto switch to the correct plot. And that plot, let's say, was upgraded to the house. But yes, the girl is working and has been working. The NPCs do know how to find a position outside of their current area, and they do know how to navigate across the gaps. So your stairs will work in the whatever. And so will like a forest hole or a, I don't know, whatever.
Cool. Good job.
I don't know if I love this plot manager at the moment, but it's doing something.
I need to get another drink. It's hot.
All right.
You need to turn AC on.
We cannot.
What?
Were you not listening to me earlier?
All night?
I have a feeling, as I told you earlier, we will be sleeping for the next couple of days without the AC.
That is unacceptable. That's not happening.
It is soaked up there still.
And we got to be able to open up the window.
I will die.
Well, I'm going to die from heat, or you're going to die from allergy. So who's dying?
Looks like you're dead.
All right. Well,
All right,
anyway.
guys. We are done with said stream. If anybody is still there, have a good night. Thanks for watching. We will see you again tomorrow.
Good night.
Slam.
That's Miss Pluses.
Brian was there?